Hey YouTube, it's your boy For the Win, and we're back at it again, making another YouTube video. Today, we are reviewing the Sharper Image Turbo Drifter. This goes for retail around $30, and I picked this up today for $18 at Sears. So let's jump right into it. Okay, just by presentation of the box, this is how it would look. They have different colors. There's Sharper Image, the brand, the side. And in the back it says that it's a drift style racing action, smooth surfaces, car drives forward, backwards, left, right, and via wireless RC. Street racer styling, full function multi-direction remote to perform amazing tricks. Here's a side view, and then underneath it tells you that you're going to need a 9-volt battery and a bunch of four AA batteries. Okay, so we'll jump right into it. And that's the box. Now we're about to open this bad boy. Alright, so we're about to open this up. See how easy it is to open. Just like that, we got it open. Here's the car itself, the controller. Okay. Okay, one thing it did forget to state is that you need a screwdriver in order to get into the car itself for the batteries, and you need 4 AA batteries and a 9-volt battery for the controller. This is what the controller looks like. Very simple. And this is the actual car itself. Very weird design. As you can see, the tires come up, which is kind of weird. And these also turn very weird. And you also have extra tires in the back for some reason. We'll find out how it drives in a minute. Okay, one thing about this car that I noticed so far is it has backup lights and front lights. And also, you'd think the back tires would spin, right? But if you go back or forward, the extra tires actually spin. These don't spin, or these ones. This one's just for steering. Actually, this isn't even for steering. The back ones is what makes it. That's how it works. Now we're gonna see how it drives.
Hello. Yeah. Skirt. Skirt.
We are going to see how well this car drives in 4 different types of terrain. We have grass, rocks, dirt, and then pavement. And we'll see which one it drives better in, even if it can drive in it. We'll see right now. We'll try this nasty mud and see if the car can drive in mud. Oh, Can't drive in mud either. Uh-oh, it's not looking good for this car. See if it
You
can drive the track.
suck.
Oh gosh, you paid $30 for this and you can only drive on flat surfaces. Alright, so my review on this car right here is if you have $30 and you're willing to spend it on this, I would say save your money. I mean, it's a cool toy, but I mean, for $30, are you really willing to spend $30 for a couple hours of fun? I mean, maybe if it was a little bit cheaper, like $18, yeah, then I'd say buy it. But $30, come on, that's just too high for this. And also, I also noticed for playing this, I've only played with it for like maybe 20 minutes, and look at the bumper. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's a bunch of scuffs from when I crashed it into things. So, I mean, for being plastic, it's pretty durable. But also, another thing to note, if you have dogs and you're driving this around, look at your wheels. Your wheels are gonna get really dirty, really quick. And it's also gonna mess up with the gears, and then you're not gonna be able to drive it because the gears are gonna be shot. So, that's my review on this toy. If you're willing to pay $30 for this, then that's you. But for me personally, I'd more likely pay $18 for this than $30. That's just me. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below what I should do next, because I'm gonna be on spring break soon. I'm gonna be bored. I'll have plenty of time to make whatever video you guys would like to see next. Alright, if you guys would like me to review more items like this, leave a like and comment and tell me. Till then, peace.
I do is win, 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 no matter what.